Hi everyone, welcome back to Sand and Track channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through instructions on how to install a cabin air filter for the Mitsubishi Pajero. Many Pajeros in markets around the world have not been equipped with a cabin air filter. There is a way to install one, and the nice part about it is there is an exact space and spot where it goes. So I'll take you through step by step on how to install the filter. The details and the model number of the part is in the description below. So let's get started. To add an AC air filter in this car, you first open the glove box. There's a mechanism right here that you have to disconnect for the glove box that holds it. Then what you have to do is on the side, just pull out, so you undo this, and then you do the same thing from this side. You just simply pull it out, and then the glove box will go down. And all you have to do is just access this bit. This is where the air filter will actually go. So you have to cut this section here with a knife. Okay, just make space for it. This plastic panel will then come out, and this is where you insert the air filter. So to make the space for the air filter, get a sharp knife or a cutter and cut right through the plastic that you see here. I will fast forward the video slightly, but you can see the steps on how to cut the plastic trim. And this, after we remove this plastic cover, that's exactly where the air filter will go in. Now that you've completed the cutting process and if you inserted the air filter, you will have to add 2 screws to it, as you can see where the arrows are pointing. This is to make sure that the air filter is securely in place. And voila, that's it. Now you can close your glove box and you are all set. So the idea behind the air filter is to make sure that the air coming out of the AC is nice and fresh and clean. And one of the big questions that I get is, does it affect the AC performance or airflow? Yes, it does reduce it slightly. However, the air quality becomes much nicer. Hope you enjoyed this video and take care.